If you are looking for the perfect artificial Christmas tree this holiday season, I've got two here that we are going to compare. This one is by Puleo, and this one here is Best Choice product. They are both 7.5 feet high. This one is a Fraser fir, whereas this one is a spruce. This one here, as you can see, is pre-lit. This one over here is not, all right? And this one here is what they are calling a pencil tree. So you can see it is a lot thinner. So this is really great if you have a smaller space. Obviously, you think smaller space, it's 7.5 feet. Of course, you can get them smaller. I think you have like 4.5 feet up to like 10 feet or something like that. But this one, if you do not have a lot of space width-wise, this one would be really great. This one kind of has that more, big, full Christmas tree feeling to it. This one, again, as I said, 7.5 feet, but you can get 4.5 feet up to, I believe, like 9 feet. Both of them is so easy. They both kind of come in the similar same size box, pretty small. They come with the stand and they literally just clip into each other. It could not be more easier. This one here, the Best Choice, like they do recommend fluffing the tree because when it comes out, like the branches just kind of flop down, and they do recommend like a 45-minute to like 2-hour fluffing stage. My husband and I and stepdaughter probably took 10 or 15 minutes just to quickly do this for the sake of the video. But the nice thing is both of these, like they're so easy to move. These branches, like look, like I could literally bend this if I wanted to, right? Because it's just got like the metal inside there. So all of these, when you're walking around your tree, you might say, hey, I see a big hole here. That's fine. You just can move it, pull these around, and then you decide where you want to put that fluffiness. So it makes it really, really easy to put together. So both of them are so fantastic and easy to do. Again, it just depends on what you're looking for. Probably one of my least favorite things to do are the lights. So I'm a huge fan of the pre-lit. In my opinion, I find these branches kind of look more like a real, Christmas tree to me, whereas these ones, hopefully up close you can see it. It's kind of more like, not tinsely, it's kind of more like fake grass kind of look to it, but I just love how full it is, right? And once it's decorated, I'm like, that's a Christmas tree. So it really depends on what you are looking for. Honestly, you cannot go wrong with either.